Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of JustWatch app. You will click on settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about JustWatch and you can click. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop, then you will click on OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. After that you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.